Hi, this segment we're going to learn how to put in short answer questions and have them be auto graded. Okay, here we go. So find the where you want to put it one in. I'm going to have it after this question. So this is the question. I click on it and I'm going to insert or add question right after it. I'm going to have it be a short answer. Now, for short answer, if you want a truly short answer, maybe it's a math question. What is 25 degrees Celsius in Kelvin? I don't want to give multiple choice. I want them to actually have to write it out. Okay, I want this required. You want all your questions required. And I'm going to just click on the three dots and response validation. So it's going to be a number equal to, okay, so 25 in Kelvin is 298. Now notice it's just a number. So I'm going to tell them that in the question. Your response should only be a number. No units this time. Okay. I'm even going to tell them a 3-digit number because I'm going to be nice. So I really want to tell them the format, otherwise they're going to get it wrong. Okay, and try again. Maybe even give them a hint. Hint, it is more than 290. Okay. Whatever you want to do. Maybe you want to give them this, remind them of this, because maybe they don't read the question all the way. So maybe you want to add that back into here as well. Okay, and I'm going to make this worth a point. Okay, so short answer. If it's a number, you're going to again you're going to that response validation, number equal to, or if it's a range, maybe if it's a math question, it's greater than this. Those are options as well. Okay, so what if it's not? What if it's a word? Okay, so let's still want short answer. Let's change. I'm just gonna duplicate. Okay, so I like duplicate because I don't have to re-click everything. I can just change this. What are the units for absolute 0? Okay. Let's do text contains, and then I can put the answer, Kelvin. And maybe I want it capitalized. And then tell them, in the question, make sure to capitalize this one-word answer, right? Let them know the format, because they won't see this part. They're only going to see the question. And if they get it wrong, try again. It is not Celsius or Fahrenheit. So you can give them a hint. And maybe, again, give them the formatting again, because they don't always read the question all the way. Okay? So if they write Kelvin, they'll get it correct. They'll be able to move on. They'll get their point. If they spell it wrong, they won't get it. Okay, so they do have to spell it correctly if you want to tell them that in the question. Spelling counts, right? Won't let them move forward until they get it correct. This kind of question, where it's response validation again, if they get it wrong, they'll be stuck here till they get it correct. So they can get frustrated, which is why you want to give them as many hints as possible, or just not use a short answer kind of thing. If you know this is going to frustrate your students, right, this can easily be turned into a multiple choice or a grid question or a drop down. So if you know spelling or formatting is going to be an issue, well, that's not content-based. You might, if that's not what you're testing on, that's not what you're working on, don't use a short answer because it really does require them to have this pretty much exactly it to get it right. Okay, but that is how you can put in short answer questions.